In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Meta Business Manager in just 5 minutes. Verifying your Meta Business Manager is an essential step to maximize your business's security and credibility on the platform, and the process is straightforward. We'll go through each step so that you can complete the verification with confidence and ease. First things first, go ahead and search for Meta for Business. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing Meta for Business into the search bar. Once you've found the official site, click on it to enter the world of Meta's business tools. This is where you'll find everything you need to manage and grow your business on Facebook and Instagram. Now that you're on the Meta for Business homepage, you'll need to log in. You have a few options here. You can use your email address, or if you prefer a quicker access method, you can log in directly via Facebook or Instagram. Just choose the option that's most convenient for you and enter your login credentials. If you're already logged in, that's great. You're ready to move on. Once logged in, navigate your way to the Business Settings section. This is the central hub where you'll find all the necessary tools for managing your business account. From there, locate the Security Center. It might take a little scrolling if you're not familiar with the settings, but don't worry, it's there to ensure your business is secure and operates smoothly on the platform. Inside the Security Center, you'll want to find the Business Verification section. This is where the magic happens. Look for the option that says Start Verification and click on it. This action will begin the verification process. It's the critical step towards ensuring that your business account is safe, secure, and optimized for full functionality on Meta's platforms. An essential part of this process is checking the accuracy of the business details you've provided. The information needs to align perfectly with your legal business entity. Make sure the name, address, and other details are up to date and accurate. Inconsistencies here can delay or even block your verification process, so it's crucial to double-check this information before proceeding. Verifying your business on Meta not only adds an extra layer of security, but also enhances your business's credibility online. This simple process will help ensure that your business's digital presence remains robust and trustworthy. If you're following along, you should now be on your way to a verified business manager account on Meta. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting your business verified quickly and efficiently. Happy managing!